sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right.
First time, so I haven't got a clue what it's going to be like. Let's have a look, shall we? Wow, check this out as soon as you walk through the door. So as you come around across the ground floor, it's mostly all food and coffee shops. We've just gone past Starbucks, and then I'll just show you. And then I can see there's a Tops food hall at the end, so we're going to go and have a look at the food hall. I'll come back down last to try something and check the prices out, as I want to explore all the floors and show you guys first. So my go-to Western food when I'm treating, which is rare, is pizza. And as I enter the food court, I just saw the biggest, best pizza slices I've ever seen, just staring straight at me, with a proper fire oven going on. Look at these. It's a Monday though, my cheat day is gone, so I'm having no pizza. But I'll show you around this place in a little bit, as I want to show the other floors. Right, let's have a look. Right, I'm going to go down to the first floor where you're coming from the car park just to have a look. But I'm pretty sure it's just nail technicians and watch repairs and things like that from the signs. But we're going to do floor to floor and show you about. So it is shoe and watches and keys and nails and a car park. There's your first floor. Right, we'll work our way up. Let's go. So I've got to get some plants from my balcony, and I'm going to pop back here before I leave and get some bits. But this is a little stall along the way. Look, really cheap little cactus. Sweaty crab. Everyone's friendly everywhere as usual. But I'm going to walk along here and find our way up to the next floor, because there's going to be so much to find. But this is all this sort of stuff like I've showed you. Food, coffees, a few garden plants. And I think as we go up the levels, you get to more and more crazier and fun with different stuff. But yeah, let's keep going. Let's have a look. I thought I was going to come to the end of here and then just go upstairs, but then I've come to the end, turn left, and it just keeps going and going and going and going and going. It's like a mall version of Chatter Chat Market, but obviously, you know what I mean, for how far it distances. But let's try and find you some niche shops, some different stores to the ones that you usually see in all the malls. Because obviously they're all the same, especially in Bangkok, but this one to be in Nonthaburi is absolutely amazing. We've got a DJ set up with the decks to keep everyone entertained, look, doing his thing. Obviously got all your Adidas and Skechers and all the usual stuff. Either way, it's good to be have one on my doorstep for a change, rather than keep going into Bangkok for 2 hours on a BTS or paying silly money in a Grab. So the ground floor, snacks and stuff that you've already seen. Right, let's go up, because apparently it does get better and there's some really unique stuff in here.